How's the patient in bed 9 doing after the laparoscopic cholecystectomy?
A bit unsettled this morning. Complained of mild abdominal bloating and shoulder discomfort. I wasn't sure if that's normal or something we need to act on.
That's not unexpected post-laparoscopy. It's likely from residual gas under the diaphragm irritating the phrenic nerve. The key thing is there's no fever, right?
No fever, Mihira. Vitals are stable. She's alert and managing oral fluids.
Then we hold off on scans. Pain management and ambulation should help.
I also noticed her drain site looked slightly red. Not hot or oozing, though.
Monitor it. If it doesn't worsen, no need for antibiotics yet. We don't want to overtreat every bit of redness.
And the patient in bed 8? Post-appendectomy yesterday. Mihira, her dressing is dry, but she said she felt woozy when she stood.
That's more likely from the anesthetic wearing off. Let's rehydrate her and try mobilizing again later.
Mihira, I know that managing your blood pressure can seem like a lot to handle, so let's break it down into simple, manageable steps. The goal is to build a foundation of healthy daily habits that support your body. Start by focusing on your diet, choosing more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains while paying attention to how much salt you consume. Try to eat regular, balanced meals and drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your body stay steady. Adding gentle movement, like a daily walk, will also make a big difference for your heart over time. And don't forget the importance of a good night's sleep. This is when your body rests and repairs itself. While you make these changes, it's important to pay close attention to how you're feeling. If you notice increased dizziness, feel faint, or have any chest pain, these are signs that you should seek medical help right away. Taking action quickly is a responsible and necessary part of caring for your health. By building these healthy habits and staying aware of your body's signals, you're taking positive and compassionate control of your well-being.